So I just want to do a quick little video to show you how I use the Cream Compact in our foundation range. So yes, it comes with its own little sponge, as you can see, and I am going to show you how I like to use it. Because I switch up from my fluid foundation that I use through spring and summer, but in winter, this is the product that I really like to use. And my color is camel if you're interested. So I have prepared my face. I have my serums on. I've got our new Radiance gel on, Skin Perfecting Radiance Gel, and I have applied moisturizer over the top. And I'm just going to quickly, before I start, just for the little dark circles that I have underneath my eye, I'm just going to use our Skin Colored Corrector Stick concealer. So I'm just going to pat that in underneath. Oh, cool. Don't think I need it anywhere else. And this is how easy it is. You just get your little sponge, wipe it across, and smooth it onto your skin. You can use one of those, you don't have to use this sponge, you can use whatever you like. Some people like to apply it with a brush, and that's okay too. So it really is your preference how you would like to use it. And this is for any age, but especially for people that want a little bit more nourishment, and as it has the beautiful jojoba and shea butter and all the lovely minerals in here. So I've just smoothed that on. Can put it over my eyes there as well. And now that can be it. If that's all I want, that can be it. But I really like to apply a little bit of our loose mineral powder foundation. I just think that it just gives a beautiful finish. And for those of you that would like a heavier coverage, then you can just build it up by applying this over the top. And you can do this in layers if you like. So again, I've loaded up my brush, and I'm just in a circular motion, just applying it on my face. And the good thing about having them both is that you can actually use the Cream Compact by itself on certain days that you like, and you can use the loose powder by itself on other days when you just want a really light coverage. And just remember, our loose powder mineral foundation has an SPF of 20 plus. So that can be it. I just wanted to show you how I like to use the Cream Compact foundation. Check out our kits on our website as I've put them together, a couple of options together for you to make it a little bit easier.